our championship game, championship match for our interstate category between Al Nayan and Navigate. And our three official referee for tonight, Referee Don, Referee James, and small but terrible, Referee Jobo. All players in the middle, please. All players. Some last briefing for our referees. We're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's the final game between Al Nayan and the powerhouse Navigate.
All players, all players. James!
Tsaka dapat pag nagsasalita seryoso para kapani-pani.
Okay guys, good evening. Una sa lahat, congratulations sa both team and nakakita tayo dito sa finals natin. So, kunting briefing lang para mas organize yung laro natin since sa championship to. So, bigyan natin ng magandang laro, especially yung mga audience na nag-effort na pumunta para makapanood sa final. So, pag may mga timeout tayo, substitution, punta na tayo sa table. Okay? Para mas organize, and then maka-advance tayo. Pag may mga clarification about here, di natin naiwasan minsan. Lalo sa championship game ko, medyo mag-adjust na tayong referee when it comes sa officiating. Kung may clarification kayo, ano lang namin na kung pwede is kung off the ball lang. Huwag yung during on the ball is panay tayo. At just to remind lang din na basketball rules yung gagamitin natin. Wala ditong judo o boxing rules na gagamitin natin. Okay? Para mas maganda yung laro natin. Alright, thank you. And good evening.
May the best team win, guys!
And good luck both teams. It's the last game. Navigate versus Al Nayan. Okay, seconds tayo, both teams. Good luck. We'll call this one is the final countdown. Navigate against Al Nayan. First five on Navigate. First five on Al Nayan. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, The Inkers, TUI, Basketballista, and Adalpos. And our three-man referee tonight, Referee Donnie, Jumong, and Referee James. It's Al Nayan against Navigate. First five on Navigate. It's Lucas, Load, Kunseco, Sun, and Rock and Rolling. First five on Navigate on Al Nayan. It's the Mighty Mouse, Isia, Francisco, Ramos, Castillo, and De Jesus. Let's get to rumble. Al Nayan against navigate. It's first position of Alnayan, Francisco. Coast to coast, short top. Rebound on the veteran load. Now Lucas. Lucas will set a play. Lucas. First attempt, 3-point shot, dive too strong. Rebound again by Lucas. 14 sa clock. Load. Rebound on work and relief. Now Lucas again, fake, Lucas, side step, pass outside, Conseco, too strong, rebound on Castillo. Now Francisco, guarded by Lucas. It's shooting violation, traveling violation. It's 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Lucas. Looking for the Conseco, too strong again, too strong. Rebound on Ramos. Ramos looking for Esia. Steal again by Navigate. Now Conseco, guarded by Francisco. Leave. Now load. Same spot. Drive. Side step. Looking for Lucas. Leave. 14 to shoot. Traveling violation on Leave. Back-to-back turnover on Alnayan and Navigate. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter championship match for our interest category. Isia, the Mighty Mouse, too strong, top. It's Jesus, top. It's Navigate ball, Navigate. Oh, same ball. Alnayan ball. As referee gone inside, Alnayan ball. 14 sa clock, 14. Now Francisco, 10. Mighty Mouse, open jump, bang! On Isia. First basket of the night by Isia.
Challenge!
Now Lucas. The Sun, bang! On the Sun. Padran shot connection. It's Conseco to Conseco. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. A Mighty Mouse again. Escape. Mighty Mouse. Same spot. Too strong. Dito by Ramos. Foul! Foul on number 24. On the Sun. Conseco. First on Quezon. First on Navigate. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Inter-Street Championship match. Alnayan against Navigate. Ramos top. 14 clock set. Ramos short again by Castillo. Now Lucas. Lucas guarded by too strong. Top again. Top. Looking for Castillo. Castillo to Isia. The Mighty Mouse. Oh! The Mighty Mouse. Now 4-5-2. A 3-point lead on Alnayan. Lim. Bang! Bang! Oh, Lim.
Tres yun?
It's 5-all. Now Isia. Guarded by Lucas. 14 to shoot. Nice pass. Castillo. Short again by Castillo. Foul. Foul on number 88 on De Jesus. First on De Jesus. First team foul against Alnayan. It's 5-all. First deadlock of the game. First deadlock of the match. Now Lim. Guarded by Ramos. Lim again. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound of the Parang Conseco. Top back. Left. Good ball. Run ball. Now Francisco. Francisco goes to goal. Looking for Castillo. Yes, on Castillo. Now 7-5. It's 2-point lead on Alnayan. Now Lucas. Guarded by Francisco. Side step, triple shot, too strong. Now Castillo. It's now 7-5, 2-point lead on Lion. Now the Mighty Mouse. Guarded by Lim. Looking for Castillo. Castillo, foul. Foul on number 6 on Rock and Rolling. First on Rock and Rolling. Second team foul on number 8. Our championship game, championship match for our Enter-Street category. It's Navigate against Al Lion. Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Castillo. 9-5. It's 4-point lead on the Pink Shirts Al Lion. Now load. Big Laod looking for Cocheco. Oh, it's Al Lion ball. Turnover again by Navigate. Now Castillo. Looking for Francisco. Now Mighty Mouse, Isia. Cardinal veteran load, Isia. Looking for steal. It's a ball. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Inbounding Jesus. Castillo. Short. Rebound. All in. Now Lucas. 1-1 by Isia. Lucas overload. Size pass. Lucas right. Foul. Foul on Francisco. First on Francisco. Second on the Lion. It's 9 against 5. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Short, back-to-back, 0-2 point against Lucas. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. All by Al Lion. Francisco to Castillo again. Open jump, Castillo. Rebound Jesus. Castillo. Whoa! Castillo. Now 11-5, 6-point lead on Al Lion. It's Load. Load, gathered by 2. Load, it's still again by Al Lion. Now Mighty Mouse. I can stop. I can drop. Side step. Allah. Bang! Oh, the Mighty Mouse. Time out. On now again. It's 13-5. 8-point lead on Al Lion. It's Navigate versus Al Lion. Last game, last match for our finals. And we'd like to thank our sponsors for a timeout. It's Color Sports, Basketballista, TUI, and Inc. Abu Dhabi. And we're still live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. It's a never die, never ending. Now Load. Load, long 3. Again, short. Rebound on Ramos. He's traveling direction, traveling. Traveling on Ramos. His turnover on Lion. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Now Lucas. Guarded by the Mighty Mouse. 10 to shoot. Big. Load. Out. Too strong again by Load. 14 set second. Padre Guteo. Whoa! Again. It's Ramos. Ramos. Zigzag. Ramos all the way. It's Ramos. Now 20 to 10, 15 to 5. Lucas looking Laod. Laod attack, Laod, fake. Bang! On the veteran Laod. Now 15 to 7. Back to 8-point lead on Alliance. Francisco, 2 minutes and 40 seconds, 40 to shoot. Ramos, side step, back to net. To Isia, bang! On the mighty bounce. Isia! It's 18 to 7. Kasan, side step, move short to strong, rebound foul. It's foul on Rock and Relief, number 6. Second on Lim, third on Navigate. Again, Isia side step, corner pass, show your bomb, short top, rebound on the side Consejo. Kasan, side step, that's a block by Ramos. Lim, load, bang! Where's the money? Now 10-18. It's 8-point lead on the Lion. Oh, still! Castillo, foul! It's foul on the San Consejo. Send on the Sun. Warning for penalty on Navigate. Still we're live on the Facebook page. Now we have 3 viewers for tonight. 3 referees. 19 to 10. 19 to 10.
Di mo ka timeout yan.
Now Lim. Looking for Laod. Carried by Francisco. Laod. Laod now. Laod. Side to side. Still by Francisco. Timeout on the Lion. And this timeout again is brought to you by Color Sports, Dewey, the Inkers, and Basketballista.
Ay, dati pa yan. Kasi kalit yan, hindi sila pagagawa. Ako lang problema issue. Kalaro na yan dati. Wala issue yan, wala issue. Wala issue yan. Ginamit na yan dati.
It's 1 minute 27 seconds. 19 against 10. Now Lucas drives, side step. Again, short again by Lucas. It's Jesus. To the Mighty Mouse, Isia. Back to Francisco. 1 minute and 10. 40 to shoot. Castillo. Steve Ramos. 10. Foul. It's foul on number 12 on Francisco. 13 foul on the Lion. Second personal foul against Francisco. Now Lim. 50 seconds. Loud. 1-1 by Castillo. Loud looking for. Oh! Unselfish pass coming from Loud to Lucas. 19 to 12. It's 7-point lead on Lion. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Load. Penalty. It's first on Load. Navigate now over the limit on fouls and penalty. And this free throw is brought to you by Motivation, Adelphus, Ground Zero, and Basketballista. 32 seconds. Rebound on Load. It's Loud time. Loud. Third block. What a defense coming from Ramos. 22 seconds. 15 to shoot. 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds. Foul. It's foul on number 5 on the putter, Conseco. First on the putter. Now Navigate over the limit. It's penalty on Navigate.
Oh.
8 seconds, 8 seconds.
Ay, ya, Rabbi.
It's 5 seconds, 5 seconds. It's first period. It's 19 against 12. 7-point lead on the Lion.
Sobra, this is sila. Well, 20 yun.
Ay, lang. Parang madiin yung depensa nila, walang power. Madiin pa kailangan ko.
Okay.
Second quarter, second quarter. It's 7-point lead on the Lion, end of the first quarter. 19 against 12. It's Navigate ball, Navigate.
Tenko, Francisco. Ano ito? Number 7. Similiano. 7.
Now Maeng in the ballgame. Tutanes. Looking for Magat. Magat. First attempt, first shoot, too strong. Rebound, it's foul. Foul on number 25 on
Jedrick.
Francisco. First on Francisco. First team foul against the Lion. Now Tutanes looking for Magat. Magat na bang! One and selfish 5 coming from Tutanes. It's 14 to 19 now. 5-point lead on Al Lion. Basket count on one against Magat. Second personal foul on Francisco. Our championship game, Al Lion versus Navigate.
Oh, Besa.
Robocop. Whoa, the Robocop. 19 to 16, 3-point lead na Al Lion. Francisco. Looking for Chantenko. Suarez. Too strong. Tap, rebound, foul. It's foul on number 2 on the Robocop. Pesas.
First.
First on Pesas.
First. Team foul.
First team foul against Navigate.
Lapit na, lapit yan, lapit na. Sawa, sawa.
Now Robocop. Mike.
Diretso, diretso.
Mike. Short. Too strong. Makalalan. It's Makalalan.
Similio.
Chantenko.
Similio nga number 7.
Suarez. Too strong. Rebound on Magat. Now Tutanes. It's Tutanes time. Now Tutanes. Trying to make Chantenko. Looking for Magat. Magat drive. Nice pass out. To the outside. Now he's still at Chantenko. It's Makalalan. 1-1. Makalalan. Where are you? Makalalan. Too strong. Top. Magat to Tutanes. It's Tutanes. Grab defense sa Similio. It's foul. Foul on number 2 on Besas.
Besa,
Tuwa support.
Second personal foul on Besas. Second team foul on Navigate. It's 8 minutes and 14 seconds. 3-point lead, Alliance. Now, Francisco. Back again to Francisco. Side step. Similiano. Too speed, too deep. Rebound. It's 14 is a shot clock, 14. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. 10 to shoot. Blocked by Besas. Now to Tanes. Steal again on Alnayan. It's steal by Alnayan. Chantenko. Mine. It's Mine. Na Mine drive. Same spot. Too strong. Same on Mine. It's steal again by Mine. Mine. Alon number 5 on Makalalad. Person Makalalad. 13 foul on NABOI Navigate. Now it's 17-18.
Time at time pagsunod.
Basket time on there. Basket time out. Oh, time out. On Alliance, it's 19 all. First, deadlock of the second quarter. Alliance against Navigate. And we like to get our sponsors. It's Scorer Sports, Basketballista, and TUI, Abu Dhabi. And again, our official referee for tonight is Donnie, Jumong, and James. It's a 7-0 run coming from Navigate. It's 19 all. Now Chantenko. Starting by Arar. Chantenko. Suarez paid. Suarez. Again, rebound on Francisco. Francisco paid. Francisco 2. He's still on Arar. Now Arar drive to Tutanes. Oh, hang time. Coming from Tutanes. Now 21 to 19. It's 2-point lead on Navigate.
same ball.
6 minutes and 39 seconds. Let's play ball. Let's play ball. Makalalad. Magat is Tibayan RRO. It's 23-19 now. 4-point lead on Navigate. Suarez, 1-1 by Tutanes. Chantenko. Looking for Francisco. 14 to shoot. Makalalad. Still. It's Tutanes. Foul. It's foul on Chantenko. First on Chantenko. It's 13 foul on Alliance. 13 foul against Alliance.
Chantenko. De Jesus. Makalalad. Jesus,
Oh, Chantenko! Oh! Where are you? Chantango, 21 to 23. It's 2-point lead on Navigate. Mine. Looking for Tutanes. 40 to shoot. Mine. 10 to shoot. Fake. Side step. Mine again. RR. Open down. RR shot. 3 ball Makalalad. Makalalad is coming by 2. Makalalad. Makalalad. The agent run. Coast to coast. Block by the Ropogap. Ropogap now. Ropogap. It's 23 to 21. 5 minutes and 15. Mine. Maga to Blanc. From the best center of the league. Seminario is 5 minutes. What a block shot. Coming from our best center of the conference. Now Mine. 10 to shoot. Short again my Mine. 5. 24 shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation. Before steal, 24 shot clock violation. It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds. It's 23-21. 2-point lead on the Green Shirts Navigate. Now Francisco. Suarez. Makalalad. Steal on Tutanes. 3 on 2, 2 on 1. Tutanes. It's too easy from Tutanes. 25 to 21. 4-point lead back to Navigate. Suarez. Carried by. Now 1 and 1. Foul. It's foul on number 2 on Besas. 13 foul on Besas. Warning for penalty on Navigate. Warning for penalty on Navigate. Similayo. Francisco, 10 to shoot. 3-second violation. Nice defense on Navigate. It's 3 minutes and 58. Anar. Short. Black on. It's 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Oh, what about Salvador's pass coming from Navigate? It's 27 to 21. 6-point lead now on Navigate. Back-to-back steal. It's Tutanes. Solo stop lang. Foul on number 6. On Chantango. Warning on Lion. Second personal foul on Chantango. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 28 to 21. 7-point lead on Navigate. $29 against 21.
Depensa, labang tayo. Depensa.
Suarez, all the time, Suarez! Again, is to by Suarez. Suarez now is 0 out of 7 from the 3-point shot. Mine, same spot, Mine block. Now against San Francisco. It's 2-1. Chantango, fake, bang! Who are you? The captain now, 29 to 23. Steal again on Chantango. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Only 6-point lead on Navigate. Francisco. Too deep. Short. Top. Besas. Tutanes. 29 to 23. Tutanes Suara, kick and pass. RR, same spot. Again, to the rebound on Robocop, side step. Euro step, short block. It's Sumisayo. Now the double Francisco. Now 3 on 3. Francisco, look out. Block, rebound again. Is intercept by Tutanes. Tutanes to short. Rebound. Suarez go! Mine again, mine! To Tutanes. Side step. Short. Top. 14 seconds, 14. Mine again. Mine. Bam! Who's found up? Foul on number 25. On Francisco. Now, on Lion. And penalty. Two free throw shot coming from MIA Mine. Short. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 30 to 23. 7-point lead on Navigate. Chantenko 1-1 by Arar. Suarez. Now 0-7 from the triple shot. Back to Suarez. Now Suarez. Oh! It's 0-8 now by Suarez. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Tutanes. 40 to shoot. Adar. Kick out pass. Mine. 3-second violation. Basket not counted. Basket not counted as referee. It's 3-second violation on the Robocop. Basket not counted. It's 1 minute 9 seconds. 30 against the 23. All by Navigate. Seminario. Macalalan. Suarez. Fake. Drive. Side step. Suarez. Move. Short. Up. Pesas. 50 seconds. Tutanes. Arar. Mine. Too strong again. Mine. Magat. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. Arar. Short. Macalalan. To Chantenko. Macalalan. Pow! Oh! Basket count and one. On the agent Macalalan. It's foul on Arar. First on Arar. Now Navigate over the limit penalty. 25 to 30. It's 5-point lead on Navigate. 19 seconds. Now 26 to 30. 2-4-point lead Navigate. 19 seconds. 15. 10. 5 to shoot. And then up our second quarter. It's 30 against 26. All by Navigate.
Dalawa?
Hindi mo doon tayo, hindi ko nakita ka.
Nandiyan yung mga referee.
Sisayin ko kasi hindi ko nakita ka. Hindi ko kilala eh. Ito muna tayo.
And we'll have our awarding for our entry street category. This is the best of the best for our conference. And first, we will award for our shooting guard. From our shooting guard, from Navigate. Another run, number 11 from Navigate is Anderson. Anderson is the best shooting guard for our conference on Season 2 Interstate category by Basketballista. And next we will call on our small forward. Steal from Navigate. Jersey number 5 wearing the Pater Consengo. He's the small forward of the league. It's the Pater, not the Sun. Congratulations to the Consengo Pater. Next, our best center of the league from Alnayan. It's not random, it's best center of the league is Mr. Similiano. He averages 10 rebounds per game for Similiano. And our best point guard of the game from Navigate, wearing jersey number 23, it's Lucas. Our best point guard of the league in category Interstate by Basketballista, it's Lucas. And last but not the least, our power forward from Alnayan is, we call him the Agent 00, it's Makalalag. And we will call on all players, the mythical 5 for our conference. Our best point guard, best center, best small forward, and our shooting guard. Congratulations to our all best of the best players on an interstate category by Basketballista.
Ayusin mo.
And among the 5, we will call on the season MVP from Alnayan. It's Agent Makalalad, our season MVP. Congratulations to our season MVP. It's the Agent.
Isa muna, kunin mo na isa. Isa muna, kunin mo isa.
Makalalad.
Itas.
And congratulations again all our best of the best players of the conference. From the point guard, Lucas. Shooting guard, Anderson. Our small guard is Conseco the Potter. Center is Milayo. And our season MVP, another than from Agent Makalalag. Now for third quarter, ready, third quarter.
May makanta, doon may mani doon.
Tito ang manika.
It's Navigate ball.
Wala pang pilihan ng third quarter o pilihan. Sir, sabi na, walang pilihan third quarter kahit sino papasok. Kahit anong oras mag-sub, third quarter tayo, wala na pasarel.
Third quarter.
Alnayan. Second tayo, second. Alnayan tayo, Alnayan.
It's Alnayan ball, Alnayan. Third quarter. It's 30-26. 4-point lead on Navigate. Now Francisco. Oh, turnover, first turnover on Nalayan. Now Anderson. Wonderboy. Sirviner. Looking for the sun. Nepi. Tepe goes too strong. Rebound on Francisco. Now Francisco, 1-1, goes to court. Francisco. Bam! Foul on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. First team foul on number 8. 2 free throw shots for Francisco. It's 30-26. All by Navigate. Now 27-33 point lead on Navigate. Now best shooting guard and Anderson. Cardivan Malaluan. Anderson. 2 hours spell ball. 10 to shoot. Nabi. Block. 5 to shoot. Steal. Foul. Foul on number 25 on Biner. First on Biner, second on Navigate. It's 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Now Madrid. Bautista. Manaluan. Madrid. Shot. Block. Nice steal. Foul. Foul on number 4 on Alayan. First on Alayan. First personal foul on Ketapia. Now it's Wonder Boy time. Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. Too strong. Top. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Madrid. 7 on Madrid. First on Madrid. Second team foul on Alayan. Anderson. Foul. Foul on Malaluan. 13 foul against Alayan. First on Malaluan. It's 8 minutes and 12 seconds. 8 minutes and 12. Anderson. Foul. Foul again on Malaluan. His second on Malaluan. Warning for penalty against Alayan. It's 30-27. 3-point lead only on Navigate. It's 8 minutes. Third quarter. Championship match. Enter-seat category by basketballista. It's 31 against 2-7. Back to 4-point lead on Navigate. Francisco guarded by Wonderboy. Francisco does. Francisco. Bam! Foul on Biner. Substitution rep. Stop rep. Second on Biner. 13 foul on Navigate. Substitution.
Sino? Sino rasul mo?
Compete out. Stop rep. Stop. He's again out 0 out 1 on Francisco. Now loose. Alon Gap yan. Now, Al-Lion over. Now, penalty on Al-Lion. Now, 32. Against to 27. Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. Sabrab substitution. It's 33 to 27. Sabrab, sound.
Wala natin yan. Ayun nga, si Ramos na. Jersey ni Ramos. Tingnan mo Ramos. Wala yan, sir. Kayo ka pa nagreklamo. Wala na yan. Ikaw talaga. Kailang laro mo na ba?
3 seconds! 3 seconds!
Now, load. Alon Francisco penalty.
Francisco third.
Third on Francisco. 2 free throw shot coming from load. It's 33 to 27. 6-point lead on Navigate. Seven minutes. Isia. Madrid. Makalalan. Tam. Mike. Anderson. Subdivision.
Gamit tayo ng oras.
6 minutes and 47 seconds. 33 to 27. Now Madrid. Drive. Coast to coast. Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot. Mine. Now Isia. Makalalan. Short. Makalalan again. Hey. Makalalan again. Rebound. On Mine. Loud. 1-1 on the tackle. Loud the veteran. Loud. Yes on the veteran. It's 35 against 27. 8-point lead on Navigate. Rebound Makalalan. Kanibay Nabi. Again, rebound on Navigate. It's Nabi. 1-1 by Chateco. Nabi. Steal. Anderson. Pass. 10 to shoot. Top. Nabi.
Bola pa nila.
Whoa! Time out! On Al-Lion is 37-27, 10-point lead on Navigate. And timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Ever-Ready Battery.
Gamit tayo ng utak. Kani konti. Usap mo lang muna, Nipi. Huwag mo pabiluhin. Tulak mo na sa labas, Nipi. Tulak mo sa labas.
Makalalan. On number 7 on Laul. Warning for penalty on Navigate is 5 minutes.
Second on lang.
Second on load. Warning on Navigate. Castillo. Francisco, 10 to shoot. 5. It's 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Lucas. 10 to shoot.
Lapi.
Rebound ng Francisco. Now the Minecraft looking for Giancarlo. What a play! From Giancarlo to Isia. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 37 to a steal. Now low. Looking for Maeng. Maeng, 10 to shoot.
Aggressive.
5 to shoot. Magalalan. It's same ball. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Score number. Oh, the Lion. It's 3 minutes and 50.
Patirahin mo, shooting mo, Lucas.
Lucas.
Rep.
Magalalan.
Baba.
Isia. Short. Yes, now 31. 2:37 in 6-point lead ng game. 3 minutes and 20. Mine! He's still again! Isia! Time out! On Navigate is 37-33. 4-point lead on Navigate. It's all by Isia.
Pareho klase depensa kailangan ko eh. Hindi pwede balikan.
And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Wonder Boy, The Boy Thunder, and the Captain. Well, it's 3 minutes and 9 seconds. And we'd like to thank also our original Extra Rice 3.0 here in the ballgame. It's the Larka 9. It's 3 minutes, 9 seconds, 37-34, 33. Lou, Anderson, Lucas, 1 and 1. Cadway Magalalan, 14 to shoot.
Pag depensa, pasa.
Low, 10, big. Too strong. Again on number 2 on Besas. Now penalty.
Besas Sport.
Substitution of substitution.
Besas Sport foul.
Fourth personal foul on the RoboCup. Besas. Substitution of substitution. This is our championship match. Finals game for our interested category. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 37 against 33 against Al-Lion. Both teams now in penalty. Both teams in penalty. It's Navigate ball. It's Navigate. Score 37-33. Tutanes. Short. Whoa! The muscle man is here. Maga 39-33. It's 6-point lead on Navigate. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Santiago. Bang! Nothing nothing but ring by Chantango. 39 to 35. It's 4.3 now. Navigate. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the muscle man. Magat 42 to 35. Too strong. Tough. Foul. Foul on the Mighty Mouse. Easy up. Penalty there. Both teams now on penalty. Substitution up. Substitution. Sub rep sub. And still we're live on the Facebook page. Ang Basketballista Championship Game Final Match for Enter-State category. Alliance versus Navigate. Basket substitution na. Basket substitution. Substitution na. Substitution. 43 to 35. 8 point lead now. Back to Navigate. 1 minute and 41 seconds. Now Francisco Isia drive to Ramos. Look for Francisco. Drive again. Drive back. 3 second violation on Macalalan. It's nice defense on Navigate. 43 to 35. It's last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Now Magat from ball all the way. 6 shots, 2 short rebound on Ramos. He's stepping on the line. He's stepping on the line of Magat. It's a line ball and yan. Now is Sia. 1-1 by Tutanes. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Macalalan. Short. Tutanes. Whoa! What a pass coming from Tutanes to Arar. It's 45 to 35. Back to 10-point lead. Okay. 30 seconds. Too strong. Cantango. Oh, Macalalan. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Wow, man. Cut now. It's Magat. 3 seconds. It's another third quarter. Our tie score 37-47. Tied by 7. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsors. It's Bakehouse Peanut Butter. And our 3 referees for tonight. Donnie, James, Jumo. Fourth quarter, last quarter for our championship game. Final game. It's Alnayan against Navigate. Now Tutanes.
Aywa.
It's technical foul. Nandito ako, sir. Nandito ako. Kita ko. Nakita ko. Nandito ako. Nandito ako. Kita. Ako dito, sir. Okay, magsinungaling. Nandito ako. Pair tayo. Laro tayo para maganda laro.
Ayusin natin. Fair tayo.
Foul yun.
Technical foul.
Mula natin!
It's 48 to 37. 48 to 37. It's 11-point lead on Navigate. 14 to shoot. Arar. Mine. 10. Wow! Rebound! Now, Isia. Starting by Mine. Isia, one naman by Mine. Isia, go! Mas Isia. The veteran. Again, in and out. Wow! Nice defense on the Challenge. It's 9 minutes and 15 seconds for our last quarter championship game. Now Arar. The Sun. Short. Is Francisco. Francisco move. Francisco looking for Isia. Too strong. Top. It's Lacy's ball. Alliance ball. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 the set clock. 14. Now Isia. 10 to shoot. Small but terrible. Mighty Mouse. Foul to Danes. First on to Danes. First team foul against Alliance. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Dasan. Nice pass to Danes. It's still back to Santiago. Santiago got by Arar. 8 minutes and 20. Madrid. Santiago. Too strong by still again. 8 minutes. Castillo. Substitution. Sub. Warning on number 99. Sub. Warning on Castillo for still playing. Warning on Castillo. It's 8 minutes.
Against the now.
10 to shoot.
Bang!
Sultanes.
Rebound Magallaran. Santiago. It's 7 minutes and 42 seconds for our last game, last match. It's Alliance versus Navigate. Now to Danes. Magat. Rungkap. 10 to shoot. 5-second violation. It's 5-second violation. Satu the center, Sabret. Madrid out.
Ghost time! Kapit, pare!
Bang! On Isia. It's 14 to 40 now. 8-point lead on Navigate. Whoa! It's trouble. Arar. 50 to 40. Back to 10-point lead on Navigate. Isia. Bang! Oh, Isia. It's 60-50. 7-point lead on Navigate. Mine. Magat, foul! Foul on Magkalalad. First team foul on Lion. 14 seconds, shoot 14 seconds. Second substitution of sub. Second on Magkalalad. Second personal foul on Magkalalad. First on Lion. 14 na shot clock 14. Oh, Lucas! 52-43 is 11-point lead. 9-point lead on Navigate.
Walang let go, pare. Walang let go. Yan, ganyan.
Magkalalan. Short. Isiya. Magkalalan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Magkalalan. It's 50-46. Lucas. Magat. Short. Mine. Foul on Magkalalan. Third on Magkalalan. Second team foul on Lion. It's 52-46. 6-point lead on Navigate. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. And again, this timeout is brought to you by Bakehouse. Basket timeout, direct basket timeout. Short. Timeout. On Lion, it's 53 against the 46. It's the first time out of fourth quarter of Lion.
Depensa lang, pare. Depensa lang ang problema natin. Pare, tapat.
Warning kayo dalawa, warning tayo kayo dyan, warning kayo dalawa.
Hey, high shoot tayo. High shoot tayo.
It's 5 minutes 47 seconds remaining for our last quarter. Our last game. Last match for our enter street category by basketballista.
Tahimik sila, pare. Iingay yan. Pag nakasiksan. Game na! Hanapan mo, Lucas.
And we would like to welcome one of our audience. Yo is here in the house. Yo, welcome in the house. Yo.
Kaya wag mong pagbaluhin, ha? Wag mong pagbaluhin.
Now Francisco. Got by Lucas. Now 1-1 thinking. Now the Mighty Mouse. By Ara 14 to shoot. 14. 10. Too strong. Rebound. It's Navigate ball. It's 5 minutes and 24 seconds. 53 against 46.
Pare, bulangan nyo lang. Bulangan nyo.
Now Lucas. Magat. Arar. Too strong. Tap. Now Chantango. Chantango time. Where are you? Chantango. 48 to 53. Now 5-point lead on Navigate. Arar to Lucas. 1-1 on Isia. Magat. Whoa! Magat! Acrobatic shot by Magat. It's 55 to 48. Back to 7-point lead. On Navigate. Chantango. Too strong. It's Magat time. 4 minutes and 28 seconds.
Apat na sila. Pasok! Apat na sila.
Block. Castillo. On Mine. First on Mine. Second team foul on Navigate. It's 4 minutes remaining time. 4 minutes. Sub to the center, sub. 4 minutes. Francisco. It's foul on number 11 on Maeng. Second on Maeng. Third on Navigate. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Ramos. Chantenko, 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 2 on Robocop. 5 pounds on Robocop. Warning for penalty on Navigate. Warning for penalty. Ramos. Magalalan. 10 to shoot. Oh! What a block! Coming from May! Lucas! Lucas! Steal by Ramos! Chantango! Isia! Short! 3 minutes! Lucas foul! Foul on Ramos! 13 foul on Ramos! It's 3 minutes and 3 seconds! 55 to 48! It's 7-point lead on Navigate! 13 foul on Lion. Substitution up! Three minutes and 3. Mine. Kalba Isia. 40 to shoot. 10. 14 sa Changla. 14. 10. 5. It's 2 minutes and 32 seconds. And 20. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. Oh my! Foul on number 5 on the Padre Consejo.
Magde.
Penalty. Second personal foul on the Padre Consejo. One minute and 55 seconds. Who will be our champion? It's Navigate or Alnayan. 49 to 57.
Sab-sab.
1 minute and 45. 14 to shoot. 10. Basket count and 1. On the veteran load, foul on Ramos at Iluso left sub.
Ramos Sport.
Fourth personal foul on Ramos. Now Alayan is warning for penalty. Basket substitution. Substitution left sub.
Eh, baba!
11-point lead on Navigate. Short. 1 minute and 18.
Champion!
60 against the 49. 10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot. Sub.
Para mawala ng gana. Atin yan. 106, ubos oras!
10 seconds to shoot.
Hindi, all in na pare, all in. Pare, all in na. Eh, sila eh. Ayaw lang dito daan. Kapit, walang foul!
Bang! Bang! Oh, Nisia. 50 seconds foul. Now, Alayan on overrun penalty now. 51 to 60, it's 9-point lead on Navigate. It's 50 seconds.
Siyam, pare, siyam. 3 points yan. Labo na yan. Okay, 10 points.
61 against 51.
Akala ko may 5 tayo ba?
62 51. Bang! Oh, Suarez. Magan. Bow. Alan Francisco.
30 seconds.
Penalty.
Francisco Ford.
Fourth on Francisco.
Both.
62 to 54, 8-point lead on Navigate. The Who will be the champion or our interstate category by basketballista.
Tapat lang.
Magat! 20 seconds! It's 19 seconds! Second on Isia. Penalty.
Isa lang.
And the Who will be the champion for our first interstate category. It will be Alayan or Navigate. Foul. All on the Mighty Mouse on Isia. Third on Isia. Penalty.
Nagsasawa sa champion ng mga bata. Ayos.
63 to 54. 16 seconds.
Okay. Wala na sila makasa.
10 seconds. And we have our champion. Our interstate category. Nadaran Brian Navigate.
Runner up wala na.
Congratulations to Navigate.